Hello guys and welcome to Unbox News. My name is Patrick Ago and this is my twin.
Oh, bonjour les youtubeurs, and I am Unbox News guy and this is my twin.
Okay, just said so. Anyway, don't forget to follow Unbox News on Instagram because we are posting every day. And if you haven't subscribed on YouTube, just do it now because we are almost to 500.
Yeah, and for that reason we are giving away.
Do you know what's a giveaway?
I do know what's a giveaway.
Explain.
It's when you give away to someone, like you go right, you go left, you go down, and you go up. Easy peasy.
Yeah, a giveaway when you give a gift to someone watching, for example.
Yeah, perfect. So we are giving its way to someone watching. You see?
Okay, you're smarter than you look. Just put your headphones and just listen to music.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. And let's begin. In front of me have the Huawei, any way you wanna pronounce it, just Huawei. Freebuds. Okay, so this is it. This is a true wireless stereo earbuds. This color is black. So in the back of the box you have some different language explanation. And the bottom you have in the box, so you have one pair of Freebuds, one charging case plus the cable. So you have the case right here. The case for the earphones, just open it back. Then here, right here, you have the earbuds. Remove them like this. Hop. And you have a beautiful smiley face. Remove the smiley face. Bottom you have the, I think, the cables. You have, oops, whatever. And the manuals, alright? So the Freebuds adopt an ENC technology featuring 4 microphones for better voice quality. The battery is 55 mAh, and the case has an RGB light indicator right here. Okay, you have the silicone tip right here, attachment. So oh putain, mais t'es con! Just put your hand in front of your mouth.
Alright. Sorry. By mistake.
By mistake?
Fine. Calm down.
Put your headphones again. Thank you. Anyway, guys, so it goes, the silicone tip attachment, so it goes deeper into your ears, right? And you have the AAC technology is to improve the hello. Alright. I'm sorry, guys.
Don't miss me too much. I'll come back.
They won't. Anyway, so as I was saying, the silicone here, you see, tip attachment, so it goes deeper into your ear, and the AAC technology is to improve the transmission efficiency. Anyway, the material is plastic and they weigh around 236 grams. We open the case and you have some tips. So to charge the Freebuds, you have to put them in the case. So let's open, and before you have the right letter right here, you have the 2 metallic sensor, so it can charge the Freebuds, and you have this black dot. I don't know if you can see it right here. This one is the infrared, so it can sense when you are wearing them or you remove them. Okay, so and back on the case, right letter here and left L letter for the left one. So we put them here. It's very easy to put them. And this one right here, it's in blue. And then you close the case and the red dot. Okay, and when it's fully charged, it turns to green. So to connect the Freebuds on your phone, you have to download the following applications. The Freebird Assistant, you open it, and first screen you have a quick start, or you can update the Freebirds. We go to quick start, and you have the following. When you have, it shows you what you have in the box. It explains to you about the LED light indicator. Then it explains to you how to Bluetooth pairing, the call function and the music function when you tap on it, and again the voice assistant, and when it sleeps and charge when you close the case. So to pair the Freebirds on your phone, you have to open the case with the Freebirds inside. You go on the back, you have this button, you press it for 2 seconds, 1 and 2, and you turn it, you have the blue light. You go to your Bluetooth on your phone and you search for the device Huawei Freebirds. You pair it, and I think it's done. This is what you have to do. So let's take the 2 Freebirds, right here and left, right here. Let's try some music. Okay, if I remove one, it stops because they have to be both in your ear, so it works because it has on the both infrared sensor. Okay, so it senses when it's wearing it right here. On the right Freebirds, double tap to play pause music. On the left Freebirds, double tap and you activate the voice assistant. And on either one, when you receive a phone call, either one, you answer the phone call. I want to give you one tip, because with the Freebirds you cannot play next music. What you have to do is to activate the voice assistant and you tell him to play next music. That's easy. All right. They are available in black color and in white color. Those are black. And what he said, my twin, in the beginning, it's a giveaway. Exactly, it's a giveaway because the person that he subscribed, number 500, la persona que hita 500 subscribe, those are yours. Now I want to put them back in the case. Numero 500, those are yours. Okay, so hurry up and subscribe now to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow Unbox News on Instagram.
Hey honey!
Hey Twinnie!
You want a Perrier?
No thanks, I have my own Perrier.
You wanna go to the movie?
No. Oh, because I'm too busy to get busy.
Oh, TB, TGB.
Exactly, and hashtag
Girl Boss. Peace.